Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Canva's AI to make mockups for your product. You don't need Photoshop or 3D software. Canva's AI tools can create a professional product previews instantly. Go to canva.com or launch the Canva app on your phone. Next, make sure it's updated. You'll need the Magic Studio features. Tap plus and then go to the custom size and then pick a format you want. 1:1 for Instagram, 1:19 for ads, 9:16 for reels. And then step 3, upload your product photo. Tap upload and then tap upload and then add a image from your logo, bottle, t-shirt, etc. Make sure the product is on a plain background. Just make sure the product is on a plain background, and then go to select the image, edit image, and then go to background remover or uh, magic erasers, but you will have to have the Canva Pro for that. And then if you guys have the Canva Pro, just go to in seconds. Canva will isolate your product cleanly and generate your mock-up scene with AI, a realistic disc scene with soft lighting, and my product placed on a wooden table. Canva will generate a professional background around your product. Resize or drag your product into the AI generated screen. Use shadows, auto shadow under edit image to make it look natural. Tap animate magic. Tap animate to make mockup move slightly for ads or social posts. Add a catchy product text or your brand name, and that's it. Download it, and that's it. Safety tip: don't only use your original photos. AI generated brand images might look real but can't replace your actual items for real use. Quick fix: if the AI background looks off, generate your prompt. Try adding studio lighting or flat lay for better realism. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.